Welcome to Nordglass AGC. We are one of Europe's leading glass manufacturers for the automotive industry. We also produce glass for the rail, marine, and construction industries. We have our own production facilities, warehouses, and assembly points. Nordglass AGC's priority is the safety of both its own employees and external partners. Therefore, our main objective, for which we are responsible, is to reduce the number of accidents at all sites. Internal rules at Nordglass AGC sites must be followed to ensure occupational safety. These apply to Nordglass AGC employees, external drivers, subcontractors, and visitors. You may only enter the loading bay area at our locations wearing appropriate clothing and personal protective equipment. Make sure you have long-legged trousers, a long-sleeved shirt, safety footwear, a reflective waistcoat and a safety helmet. Personal protective equipment should be properly fitted and fastened, safety helmet fitted to your head, safety shoes correctly worn and laced, and reflective waistcoat fastened. Stop by the security room before entering. You will be given a document with the safety rules for handling work that apply to a given location. Please read them carefully and confirm with your signature that you have understood and will comply with them. Give the signed document to the security officer. The security officer will show you where to position your vehicle and give you the Elecon system tag. Elecon is a security system which will warn the forklift and you if you are close to each other. Remember to keep the marker switched on at all times and to carry it with you at all times. The premises of the Nordglass AGC plant are a traffic zone. When moving around, observe the speed limit, and obey the vertical and horizontal markings placed on the loading yards and internal roads. Position the vehicle in the designated area and start securing the vehicle. Switch off the engine, apply the brake, remove the ignition and secure the vehicle key. A Nordglass AGC employee will mark out the safety zones of the loading work using signs, posts, barriers, or tape. These are the zones in which the driver is allowed to stay. When the work zones have been designated, you can leave the vehicle and perform the following steps to prepare the vehicle for loading and unloading. Secure the vehicle wheels with wheel chocks and unlock the vehicle's load compartment. During this time, no forklift truck may be operating in this zone. A designated Nordglass AGC employee will collect the transport documents from you. Do not move around the site without permission. The forklift operator can start working only when you have completed the preparatory activities and moved to the safe zone. The safe zone is in your vehicle's cabin or an area designated by a barrier. Remember, no activity can be carried out if you are in the forklift truck's work zone. Before loading begins, prepare the safety straps so the goods can be strapped down later. When climbing onto a semi-trailer or other loading area, always use the access steps or the semi-trailer steps and the auxiliary handle provided for this purpose. It is forbidden to jump into or out of the loading area, climb over the sides of the vehicle, and onto loaded packages. It is prohibited to operate a pallet truck on a raised lift. Use a dedicated support pole for removing or fitting and pressing side beams into the stanchion pocket to enable you to do the job safely. Either the forklift or the driver can be in the forklift's work zone, which is the danger zone. When you want to enter a danger zone, you must communicate effectively with the forklift operator, for example, by waving or telling them about it. Entering the danger zone is permitted when the forklift is not running, the engine is switched off, and the forks are lowered. Remember always to carry an active Elecon tag. Do not enter the danger zone without consulting the forklift operator when, for example, he is on his way to pick up more packages. Do not walk around the loading bay. Always stay in the designated safe area. Once the forklift operator has completed the handling work, you can carry out the work of securing the vehicle and load. Secure the load with straps or other securing devices designed for this purpose. Close and secure the vehicle trailer. Take away the chocks. A Nordglass AGC employee will remove the items marking the loading work areas and, if required, give you the shipping documents. Remember to return the Elecon personal tag to the security officer when leaving. Remember that any behavior that breaks our safety rules will be reported to transport companies. Safety is everyone's responsibility. Do not work if you have not taken care of safety.